YouTube, what's going on, man? You know, it's your boy Click, man, and we got a banger for you guys. I know everybody watches TikToks, and I know they watch any little part of social media, whether it's Twitter or anything, where you see Karens going crazy. And I know that for me personally, when I watch those things, I get like secondhand embarrassment just watching it. But here's the flip side of that: them getting what they deserve, and you're getting that sense of fulfillment, enjoying, like, you're talking stupid. Here's what you get. You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, type of thing. So that's what we're going to be reacting to today. Guys, if you're new to the channel, man, you're welcome to stay. It would be much appreciated if you subbed. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and, tell me what you think about these Karens getting what they deserve. Like, because I think it's been long overdue. You know what I'm saying? We're just going to get right into it, guys. Appreciate y'all. Let me get into it. Let's see what is going on.
Why did you move?
That escalated real quick there. Oh, hell no, bro. Like, you can barely walk. How do you have the strength to use your crutch to hit my car? And I know that shit dented. You heard that thud.
I've got you on.
What was that wild swing about? Like, is that the force? She was trying to use the force on him.
Camera? I have not tried to run you over. You stop hitting my car. I'm calling the police on you.
Yo, his biggest mistake here, I would not have come out of that car. I'm gonna be honest with you, because anything could have happened. Then next thing you know, he goes even close to her and he points at her. She falls, somebody sees it, he's in problems. You know what I mean? I would have just left her be.
Go on, you walked out.
Like, she's old, right? Like, let's be fair. She doesn't have that much energy. She's wasting it on something that is not gonna benefit her. She would have burnt out.
Down here, I'm trying to get past. There's loads of space for you to walk there. You just smacked my car. I couldn't care less. I'm calling the police. I'm calling the...
Karens love to have evidence to back up their argument.
They
but
sure
using the
do.
Bible against a student, that's a whole new level of crazy.
With the fact that you just have no respect for anybody, including yourself. And wearing this doesn't make you wonderful.
What is he wearing?
Well, that's not...
What? What's she talking about? Like, he's wearing a cross or something? She's definitely out of line. I'm not with that.
Go there, but you know what? It says be obedient, doesn't it? And you are
Not to
being
you.
Obedient.
Wait, you say trust us?
You are not being obedient. That's all I'm saying.
That's a little crossing. We wish it's less trust.
You are not being obedient by not listening to the teacher.
Yo, I know teaching is a hard job and whatnot, but some of these teachers do the most. They're so OD with the dumb shit they say.
I don't care who it is up here.
Hey, ma'am, that's kind of disrespectful to touch his cross like that. No, you can't.
Yeah, tell me that I'm not being a good Christian.
I didn't say that. I said
You
you are not
but you
being
implied
obedient.
it, and that's not okay.
She was not ready for that attack that was about to start snapping her. She thought it was gonna be all good.
It's okay to tell someone that they're being a good Christian.
I didn't say that.
Only God
But
can
you
say you're not being
implied it.
obedient.
What the fuck? I love how all those girls jumped in and stepped in and helped my guy there.
Sumo Karen is rattled when she confronts a pest control
What, did he say sumo Karen?
worker. Maybe she's worried this guy is after her.
Okay, and what are you trying to sell?
I'm selling pest control. Do you want to buy for pest control?
No.
Okay. Have a
So,
good night.
so keep it moving. You said no. So why are you still standing by the man's car?
You have no. I want to. No, I'm a trustee here in the village, and I want to know what
In the village? We living in villages now? Okay.
you're doing here.
Well, like I just told
Jane,
you.
I'm gonna call. I'll call you right back.
All right. Jane,
Hello?
I'm on a call too. The hell is a trustee? I've
man,
never
how you
heard that
doing?
before.
Good. Yeah. I got some. What was your name again?
Karen.
Sitzer.
Say it
Are you? I don't know where that last name is from, but it just sounds crazy.
one more time.
Margaret Zitzer.
Zitzer.
You have a license to
I've
be
got.
here?
I do. Yeah. Hold on.
I have a
Margaret.
license?
I've got Margaret Zitzer.
Hi,
Hey, how do you spell your?
Margaret Zitzer, 921 East Glenbrook Road.
This lady just gave her address to all of TikTok. So if anybody wanted to be stupid, that you see, that's kind of dangerous though. I'm not gonna lie, but this is what you do.
I've got some solicitors here that are going around.
Solicitors.
Pest control, and I'm a little worried about it.
Well, you're not allowed to sell
And they've
pest
been
control?
telling me about it.
Why are they calling you Miss Zitzer?
Hey, Margaret, can you come here real quick?
Glenbrook.
Man, call her Margaret like he knows her.
Yeah, I'm talking to the guy in the car right now. It's got a little...
This clip is an amazing example of a Kevin sneak attack, all because both him and Karen don't like being filmed when they're told that they're wrong.
Huh?
I just told you I have a
Okay, I just told you I have a medical health condition. Isn't that what I just told you? I've told 4 different people here. So what the hell does that have to do with being filmed? Okay.
This is not a law. We are citizens of the United States of America. This is not a law. This is tyranny.
Oh, she was told she can't videotape, and her health condition was the quell of that situation. And so, hey, I have a health condition, so I should be able to. I've never heard that before.
No, it isn't. Show me the law. Show it.
He's gonna show it to you outside. Yeah, this is funny. This is something I would do. The hell?
Pretty tough. Pretty tough.
Tough guys, they say.
This guy swings at me. Why don't you put your phone down? Put your phone down. What's the problem?
Vegan Karen has a very flawed argument
Strange.
in this one, as she doesn't seem to realize that there is such a species as a flying fish.
They die.
They don't die.
They're not flying fish. They're not meant to jump out of the water with.
All right, she's on drugs. Once you see that start a hysterical flying of hands, and she on something.
Do you know anything about marine biology? Do you know? Yes, I do.
Oh, so it's good and natural for them to be hurt.
You know, the unfortunate thing about this video is a lot of these girls or ladies in this video, they are getting put in their place, sorry, but the fact is, because they're so gone off their brain top is just gone, it still doesn't connect with them, you know what I'm saying? So it's like people are speaking facts to them and they look stupid and you can see that they're embarrassed. That's why 1 or 2 of them have walked away and stuff like that, but you know, they're not really getting it.
How many fish die from being released?
Whether or not they
Tell me.
die when they're
Shut the
released,
fuck
still-
up. How many?
Okay.
No, you see, you're already encroaching on everyone having a great night for Father's
You're
Day.
encroaching on somebody else's life.
I'm encroaching on public
Did she just call a flying fish somebody?
f***ing domain.
The entire Earth is public, okay?
No, it's not. Oh, you're one of them.
No.
You're one of them. The whole Earth is public domain.
All right,
The
get
Earth is
out of
not
here.
Public domain.
So just run up into Russia real quick.
You do not need
No passport, no nothing.
to survive. I'm sorry, but you don't need.
You don't need to be here having this conversation with me.
100% you don't. Like, you're telling me that you're gonna take the time out of your night to argue with somebody about killing fish? Who has that kind? That means that I'm so well off in life that I can literally argue about stupidness. Like, I want that kind of time. God bless me with that time to argue about flying fish. People
If
killing
you're
flying
gonna-
fish.
somebody-
That was a good catch. Yeah, God, just please bless me with that type of time that I could go out and argue with people about killing flying fish. I would appreciate it.
Somebody else I do need to.
I'm killing an animal which I have a license that allows me to go ahead and recreational fish.
I'm not concerned with what the law says.
When Karen
Oh,
asked
she's not concerned with the law, just her morality, I guess. It's, you know, Karen does not like that you're killing fish. Stop.
for this Wingstop manager, I really doubt she was ready for his reaction to her complaint.
And called me a dumb bitch. And she still has a fucking job? Dude, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I came here to buy food from you guys.
Abuse my customers.
From you guys. I came here to buy food from you. From this chain restaurant. And she called me a dumb ass bitch. Because I was wet.
So what was the point of all
I
this?
came in here wet. And she looked at me and she called me a dumb ass bitch. Because
So she was wet, and you're saying that the girl just literally just, I don't know where she's like, fuck it. She looked like a dumbass bitch. Make it make sense.
she looked and she still has a job? Are you serious? Are you fucking serious?
Are you serious?
That's up.
Take that
That's up.
Take it to
You
the
don't
middle
do
house.
like that. You don't fucking do
What's killing me is the person that's recording. Is this her friend? Like, that person's not even saying a damn thing. So they're just letting you go off looking stupid, not saying nothing, just recording.
like that.
So you become a
don't
meme.
have somebody call me a dumbass bitch and still has a
Hey, dumbass bitch, get the
you're
fuck out of here.
You're
Nah. My guy went in and he affirmed his coworker's conclusion that she is in fact a dumbass bitch. I know she felt that.
a white nut cracking mother.
Take a look at how
Bro, did she just say? Hold on, I gotta pull that up. No way. Did she just call this man a nut cracking motherfucker? Oh.
Take a look at how this Karen doesn't seem.
Get the fuck out of here!
You're a dumb fucking white nut-cracking motherfucker.
Take a look at how this Karen doesn't seem.
Bro, I've never heard that before. Not just, she didn't leave it at cracker. She said you're a nut cracking. Oh my god.
Understand that managers don't appear on command.
What is that?
Call your manager. Call your manager.
Not gonna lie, this is kind of annoying sometimes because I've asked for managers before, and it seems that a lot of establishments don't have managers on site. I don't know how.
What is gonna do?
Call your manager and we'll find out.
I ain't standing with Karen though.
Why? Because she paid.
She? How do you know she's she?
Give me my food or give me my money back.
You know what?
Call the principal!
And take this. You do something that is not right, I will trespass you. And if you do something
I'm
crazy,
just contacting on.
I will tase you.
You're gonna tase me? You're gonna tase me?
No, for real, I'm saying.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
So,
Have a great one.
bye.
Bye bye. Happy New Year.
No, I'm having a great year.
Yo, she did not try to make a dramatic exit and walk into the locked door. That's so embarrassing.
With adrenaline.
This Karen is an example of how not to treat store employees if you want
When
to
you
refund.
see that hand,
So I just want
You know?
verification that the only way for me to get a refund on those 2 crispy chicken sandwiches that are not edible is for you to do a refund, which will take 3 to 5, possibly 7 to 10 business days for me to get a credit back and then for you to recharge me. So basically charging me $60 for food that's not edible instead of giving me a refund. And I am recording because this is not customer service. This is not customer service. You guys should not have to charge me $60
I do not want to be recorded.
I don't care if you want to be recorded.
and she doesn't have to talk to you. You do care because you want a solution here. You're recording someone and they say they don't want to be recorded, so they can just walk away. Simple as.
So yes, sir, I am recording, and I want verification. I want a refund on those. Those are not edible. I have more over there that I have spit out. She's telling me the only way for you guys to refund
Let me go get the shit that I spit out and show you it real quick. That is not edible.
me on that is to give me a refund
After partially
on my
eating
card,
it.
which will take 3, 5, 7, 10 business days, and for you guys to charge my card again, which would be a $60 hold basically for Burger King.
What happens if you cross a Kevin and road rage? Threats, no brain cells, and this clip.
Mutual combat, boy, I'll break your jaw.
For what?
I'll break your jaw. Mutual combat. Remember you flicked me off? What's up, boy? Mutual combat. I'll break your jaw. Yeah, mutual.
I don't know if he was really trying to say Mortal Kombat, but I've never heard mutual combat before. Like, normally combat is with somebody else, so you don't have to, that would be redundant to say mutual combat. Like,
Combat.
just shut the hell up again in the car.
I'll break your jaw, boy. You little white boy.
Boy.
Better stay your ass in the grown man's place, boy.
White boy, are you racist? Are you being racist?
Yeah, honestly, this guy's funny, but are you being racist? Obviously, he's being racist.
Are you racist? Are you racist?
Everything big out here, boy. Everything big out here, boy. Take your broke ass back to Texas, boy. Get your boy out here, boy.
I'm in.
So why don't you, I mean, at this point, you're talking that much shit. That's a lot of energy. I would say just come up to the car and, you know, do something. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to incite violence or nothing, but like...
That's what white boys come and get you, boy.
I'm gonna be...
White boys come and get you, boy.
Alright.
White boys, they love to like you. They love
Let me just, I just gotta pause it again, man. Drugs are a hell of a thing, guys. You don't need to do them, don't do them. Because, you know... I bet.
Kevin really isn't a fan of this store's mask policy, but he takes his complaint to the next level.
Stop dictating my life because you're afraid. If you feel the mask works, then why are you worried about me? Short you are. Okay. You're so funny. Go inside with your mask. If the mask works, you're free to wear it. If the mask works, protect yourself from me. Everybody look at the short guy. Wear a mask. Look at the short guy.
Bro, honestly, I think as a grown man, you gotta have better, like, verbal attacks than that. It can't be, look at this short guy. Look at your shorts, guy. Like, what are you wearing? What is that? What the hell is that? What is even, like, you know what I'm saying?
Everyone look at the short guy. Look at this short.